guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more microwave dinner. Yeah, last video we unlocked one microwave dinner. Now we're gonna be unlocking the second. So let's go unlock this area. Area.
I bet we can do this in the first try. It's so easy, bro. We just have to take shovel and throw him in the oven.
Bro, my friends went here without me.
No, Cap. He left us. Bro, this stinky rat. What do you get figured out? Bro, I'm Sigma, bro. I can make it fast. So we had cheese.
Bro, you all left me. See?
No. We are just looking for cheese. On the button. No, I'm not. Look at the button. It literally says that we need some cheese.
Okay, I'm getting.
Do this parkour. Yeah, do this parkour.
Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm waiting for you by the tree. It's my cheese, so move it. Where is shoveling?
I'm coming.
Slow person, just wait for it.
You see that?
Let's go. We can't enroll, we have to run all the way back.
Yeah. Wait guys, 1 minute. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
My cheese is gone. It's so sad. No way you both die.
I did not die.
You guys are such bots.
How about you, brother?
Exactly.
We just played Blue Lock Rivals and this bro was raging.
Yeah, bro. Shravan was literally using cheatery. It's a common, and this bro was using a literal way. It's a world class, right?
No, it's Shidu, Mythic.
You're using the, but it's rework. It's rework.
Yeah.
And he was using that. What is a common? And bro, the mythic, yeah, he rage with it.
Squeak,
No way.
rat. What? Where do you find the cheese? Squeak. Yeah.
I did all that. You again?
Where are you guys?
You like me.
Where are you?
I'm coming to the button.
Oh, I'm at the button. What do you mean?
Oh, then don't go, right?
Bro, where is Ayanch? I don't even see him.
I'm in the door.
Which door? I don't see you.
No, here was a door that I came to.
Bro!
Okay, now
Wait.
I'm coming, wait. With my Lamborghini, as you know.
Bro, where's Krishna? Oh, yeah, there he
I
is.
don't know. Bring some cheese.
Yeah, cheese balls. Okay, now
I'm only saying, don't go through that door.
we put this.
Don't go through this door. Don't go.
Then we pick up this cheese.
Don't go through.
Then we drop it here. Then we pick this up. Now what?
What? Here.
Do we need cheese?
I don't know.
Oh, we do. Yeah, we do.
Okay. I'll get some cheese.
Because I just saw a cheese button.
Bro, wait, we need this. What?
Yeah, you need 2 cheese.
So what do I do?
There's another cheese, right? Put it in the inside button and then go outside and pick it up.
Okay, the other one can then what?
Then you carry 1 by 1 here. Follow me. Follow us.
No, you need both of them?
Yeah, I think. This is something. Don't go there. Not there. Here. Okay.
There's more cheese here.
Wait, bro, wait.
Wait, guys, I need to go back then. Why? I need food. Wait, so Shravan, do we need other cheese?
Wait, what do you do here?
Maybe you dive?
Huh?
Do we need this cheese?
Yeah, we do.
I think we are jump and then hover.
How about here? What is this?
Jump and then we jump and hover.
But then, what about the cheese?
Oh yeah.
Fine, we'll just go there and try to figure it out.
I think we have to get cheese.
Yeah? Okay, what do you have to do here? Two buttons.
I think-
Squeak, an intruder. Wait, stay calm. Nobody can get past this door. They would need to know that this door has needs to be is way over there.
Oh,
Aww.
we should go in here.
Besides, how is this robot gonna get 2 pieces of cheese?
Bro, did you guys leave?
Nah, we're here. Where are you?
I thought I had to go. Bro, what? How did you get the cheese then?
Where did you guys go? I was here.
How did you get the cheese then? Huh?
I lost the cheese?
How did you get the cheese?
I don't know. Wait, let me drop this real quick. I think I have an idea. It might work. Guys, get one cheese. Get one cheese.
Yeah. I'm coming, boy. Wait!
Yeah.
I get it. I think I get it.
What?
I think I get it. Wait. Give me a second, guys. Oh, I get it. We have to go from the door.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I died a bit. I did it.
What? You got a cheese?
No.
Eh? Bro, you need cheese.
Wait, that's what that do for me. I'm running.
Guys, we need to place both the cheeses here. Whew.
Wait, how do you get out of this wall? I just put a level over. Oh wait, never mind.
I think I get it. I think I know how to do this. Wait, let me go see.
I got it. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Wait, I forgot.
Can you double jump?
Yes. I think I
Oh,
um,
you can't double jump.
but then I need. Oh, I get it.
Huh? What?
See, first, you get one. You had 3 cheeses, right?
Yeah.
So first you take one, and then you go and open. You have 3 cheeses. You put 2 to open 2 doors. But the third cheese, you know, when we put the first cheese in its position, there's a second one, but that doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
Actually, that does. That opens something, I think.
Makes no sense, science.
Bro, guys, why don't you come over here? This is a level. Okay, now what do I do?
How do you do this?
How do I get this? I got it, bro.
What?
See, you go to the first door. You only need to place. I got the third cheese.
Even I have the third cheese.
I don't.
Now, how do you go from there to there? That's the problem.
Hubble, why we have? Guys, you want to come back?
Wait, let me explore this area.
Bro, there's a lever over there which makes these blocks go up and down.
Okay.
No idea what I'm supposed to do.
Wait.
Okay, if there's a lever over there that makes these blocks go up and down.
What is this?
Tom, can you see that button?
Not that.
Do you see that?
What's this?
Do you see the lever?
Yeah.
Yeah, take it. Wait, I'm trying to go back and get the other cheese.
Yeah, you need like 2, I guess.
I do?
Okay.
Hey, what? 5, 5, 5.
Yeah.
Where am I? I just went to a place called the emergency exit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, never mind. I know where this is. Oh, no, we just cheese.
Wait, find a red lever.
Is the video recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Wait, do you see a red lever anywhere?
A red what?
A red lever.
Oh, no. But I see what you're trying to do, but wait, how do you get up there? Robert?
Yeah?
Is that you?
No, that's Ayan.
How do you get up there?
Even I got up there.
Huh?
Cheese.
I need to get up there. That's what I'm trying to get up there. How do you get up there? Here you can only get some chickens and... So how do you get up? It's an hobby.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Wait, something isn't right. Something is not right.
How do you get up? See, first you get that. Shravan will explain you.
Explain?
Tell me.
What?
Can you? Oh.
Wait. Oh, it's hard.
But how do you get up?
How did I come here?
Oh, I got up.
I think I know what to do here. I think I found it.
What?
I don't know if you can actually do this though. This is going to be very hard if you can. If you even can do it once, you have to make it all the way to the top.
What do we have to do?
Bouncing back and forth between these walls.
Where?
Oh!
Which ball?
It works! See? Look, Krishna, I'm hanging.
Where?
I found one key to the puzzle.
Where are you? How did you get there?
Come to the starting area. Here.
How do you go? Without the cheese?
Yeah, without the cheese. Now, you know this emergency door, right?
Yes.
Behind, I'll show you where that is. Follow me.
I know where that is.
Okay, now go put your cheese there.
Okay.
Then you go back inside, open the emergency door, take one cheese,
I get it.
and then you just do back and forth, and I died. Where's my cheese? But it's gonna be really hard. Oh my god, I missed my jump. We found it. We found how to do it. Ayansh, do it. Jump on that pipe first, Ayansh.
And then?
Put your cheese here, Krishna. You have to put your cheese here.
Then what do? I jump on the pipe?
No, you jump on the walls back and forth.
What?
You can.
Where?
Can
you help me do it?
How?
Bro, how do you get it? Show me. How do you get that? Huh?
I fell.
I fell. How that's very hard.
No, Krishna, take your cheese.
Where's the cheese?
It's here. It's somewhere actually. Bro, Krishna, wait. Do you have your cheese?
I did.
Where's your cheese?
It's over there, so now I need to go to the door.
Yeah, now there's a door right here. Is it possible?
Where?
You can't bounce off the walls?
Where did you get the cheese?
I died. No. I have another chance.
No, I didn't see it. I dropped the cheese.
Why? You can't jump back and forth with the cheese. Color coded. What? Speak. She got the door open. Are you a wall cracking expert? Someone stop this robot. Well, at least you don't know what the next room is color coded. Yeah, I think actually.
You can't jump with the cheese.
Dude, we are actually so not smart.
Can you try to search in YouTube?
That's not how you do it, bro. See, I found it now. I understand. Oh, okay.
Then show.
I'm trying. Go to that red area.
I put my cheese there. Now I went to the door. Okay, I bought my cheese.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Okay? Then where should I go?
I'll tell you. Wait. Follow me.
I put my cheese there. I already put my cheese there. Where are you guys?
Wait, you put your cheese here?
No, I put my cheese there.
We're on the red iron.
I'm not gonna do that jump, but that jump too impossible, right? Instead of doing that, I just come like, where are you?
We're on the red area, bro. Where the second cheese part.
Where?
Bro, you know where we did the second cheese part?
How do you get there?
Use the hover.
Huh?
Use the hover.
Huh?
Yes! I found it! I found out!
Wait, no, that's not how you do it.
That's how you do it. I have a path here.
Okay, but then also another way, bro, you have to hit this level of the green level first. Then only you can do it.
Yeah, then do it.
That's what I was doing. I did not hit the green level.
Bro, guys, now watch. Now watch. Come to the bridge where we like it's so big.
Wait, what did you do? You got the
Okay.
cheese.
See?
How are you floating?
See? Ayansh, first drop your cheese there. Put your cheese there.
Bro, we got the cheese, but put the cheese at the door now.
No, put the cheese there. Put the cheese on the ground. On the ground.
Bro,
Drop the cheese. Oh.
got the cheese now.
Now, where are you, Krishna? Come here.
I did.
Okay, now follow me.
Cheese is behind the door.
Follow, bro. Where are you guys?
How, bro?
I'll tell.
Bro, I put the cheese behind the door.
You're holding.
No, not there. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Just keep it there. Okay. Now follow me. Now go get the green. Push the green lever. Push the green lever. You need to push the green lever
Where is the green level?
this way. Now push it
Down. Oh.
down. It should be down.
Now, bro. But the platforms are disappearing.
Yeah. Now you have to use hover and dive. Now watch. Now follow me here. Here. Okay. Now wait, don't go there, this way. See? You see this? Hover and then jump. Yeah. Hover, dive. Yeah, now press this. Now you see that platform there where I floated. There's a platform there.
I died.
Okay.
Huh? I'm respawning in I'm respawning in the fire.
What? I don't know. Bro, Krishna, come here. Did you press the green one?
I put the green one now.
Now follow me.
Then,
Bro, this game.
Here. Now here.
I put the green one now.
Now just follow this way. Now we
If
go.
I teleport to bridge bot, what will happen?
You'll teleport to that bot. Come here. Now Krishna, come here. Now you hover. Yeah, here.
Nothing will reset, right?
Yeah. Oh wait, I fell. Okay. Now just go there.
I already got this level.
Wait, you're done there? You're
I
done.
got it. Now what?
Now follow me.
I have to do the whole thing again.
Oh my
I
God.
put one cheese at the green area. I put one cheese.
Bro, can you guys wait for me?
Okay, we'll just finish this.
I put one cheese here. I put one cheese here.
Okay, now follow me. Wait, wrong way. Not there.
I have to restart the whole thing.
No, not the cheese. No, we don't need the cheese right now. We don't need the cheese.
This game is actually so rigged.
Oh my God.
Where are you?
Go to the green level.
Okay.
Bro, Ayanch is raging. Because his progress all got reset.
Bro, this game was not letting me survive. It was spawning me inside the water.
What? Now, flick this up. After you flick this lever up, now the thing is, this is gonna be a little bit tricky, I guess. Now follow me. This way. I fell. Now go take another cheese. Go take your other cheese.
Okay, now.
I can't find my other cheese. Where's my other cheese? Huh?
I'm holding it.
My
Have to do the level part. It's already
No.
done.
Ayan, bro, let me shut away. What do I do now?
bro, I lost one of my cheese.
Huh? Why isn't the door opening?
Dude, I lost one of my cheese. I think I lost one of my cheese.
Oh, what do I do?
Bro, wait, I lost one of my cheese. Oh no.
Wait, what? This game, bro. After you bro, yeah, there are two buttons. There are two buttons. Now what do I do?
What? Where?
There are two buttons.
Wait, you're at the part where we are.
Yes, but I don't know what to do.
Okay, wait, I'm coming, wait. Dude, I lost my cheese. I lost my cheese. Oh my god, this game is actually rigged.
Which? You had three cheeses, right?
Yeah, I lost one of them.
Then what do I do?
Bro, Krishna, I lost my cheese. Bro, I'm going all the way back. I need a cheese. Bro, I lost my cheese.
No, what do I do?
Bro, I'll tell you 1 minute.
Bro, now I'm at the game.
Why?
Bro, I put one of the cheese, okay?
Yeah, wait. Put the cheese on one of those platforms.
What?
Put your cheese on one of the platforms, the red one.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Which red one?
And then flick the red lever up and then you go up.
I get it now.
Oh, wait, never mind. I found my cheese. How is it here? Bro, it
So
little...
let me get it. First in the game, you lost your bat, right? You stand.
Yeah.
Bro, how do I get there without a platform?
Bro,
You lost your shovel, and now you lost your key.
no, bro. See, it spawned at the beginning.
Bro, what do I do with my second cheese?
Where you place the first cheese, right?
Yes.
Okay, now place the second cheese on one of the red platforms.
Where is the red platform?
It should be near the area where we visited. I'll come, wait.
I am in here. Wait. I am near where we put the third cheese.
Okay, wait for me, Ayansh. Bro, guys, this video is taking so long.
How much time has it been?
30 minutes to just figure this out. Now time to go get the other cheese of mine.
I sure have gotten a lot of these
Okay.
chicken.
I have 180 chicken. I only need 20 more to go to the next area.
I have 232.
Bro, what are you guys doing?
Bro, I'm trying. We're coming. Wait. Where are you?
Okay, did you go on the door?
Wait, no. Guys, wait for me. Wait, I'll show you.
I'm still good. Did you go on the door?
No.
Okay. I'm still okay. I'm getting the red switch so I can. The red button. The red button.
Bro, where are you? Where are you?
Come to the green level with your cheese.
How?
I dropped my cheese at the red level. Now I click the green one. I'm gonna go click the red one.
Yeah. Wait, I forgot to click the red one. I mean the green one.
Bro, do you know how much chicken I have?
How much?
What's the time?
132.
Bro, Ayanch, how?
I've been collecting some cheese around.
Okay.
Only some.
Yeah?
Okay, I know my cheese is up. So,
Bro, I don't know how to get a fourth cheese, so I took my first cheese.
yes, bro.
I'm smart. I'm smart. Right?
I did it.
I'll
Wait,
go.
I'm about to do it.
Krishna, wait for me.
Yep, I'm waiting for you. Wait, guys, can I go explore inside?
No, wait for us.
To do this obby. Oh yeah, I got it.
Let's go.
Bro, there's a pile of cheese in here.
Bro, Krishna, actually.
Oh, yes, what the fine.
Okay, wait, let's not go inside without him.
Keep up my cheese. I picked up my cheese.
Yeah, even I picked up a cheese. Bro, Ayanch, put your cheese on one of the... Where? What are you doing, Ayanch?
Let me go help.
I lost my
Ayan, it's at spawn.
Ayanch, it's the other platform. The other platform.
Yeah,
Oh.
the one. Bro, Ayan, see. First you have to click the green level, okay?
Yes.
Bro, no, before you click the green level, get your keys and put it on that platform. And then you go click the green level, you go up, okay? And then you go click the red color level. Then I'll put your keys up. And then you can go get it.
Get a cheese. Ayanch, no way. Do you not have any other cheese?
I lost mine.
It's at spawn. It's in the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, this puzzle was very tough for us.
I have to run all the way back.
Someone never end the video, right?
I will soon. I was already broken. No way. Get broken in, buddy. Get ran over.
So,
Get
after this section, do not end the video. Let's record some more.
Okay. But it's been 30 minutes. Let's record another one later. Look at this. I'm jumping on the rat.
Ayan, did you click the green?
He made it. Ayanch made it.
Wait, Ayan, so did you click the green level? Did you put the cheese on the platform?
Wait, no.
No. I only put the cheese on one platform.
Did you keep it on this platform, the red color one?
Ayanch, let me tell you. Where are you? Where are you?
Wait.
Okay.
I am
Wait,
stuck.
Ayan, did you put the cheese on the red color platform?
Red color.
Yeah. I show you this one, right here.
Bro, he's not even here. There. But bro, we finally finished the puzzle. It took so long. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna be ending the video right here. You'll get to see what's next in the next video. See you. Peace.